Because the sun cannot unshine. Because the sun cannot unshine, because the earth's core cannot freeze, the tide is bound to toe the line, its restless motions never cease. The wind can drop, but not unblow. Sun can be blocked, but not constrained. Earth can't unspin, nor streams unflow, because the oceans can't be drained. Because the need is always there, because the means are all around, alive within the quickening air, within the waters underground. Because a price must yet be paid for all our craft and artifice, there is a choice that must be made, the now price or the after price. Why would we not reap sun, wind, sea, and seek to maximise the crop? The power is here, why wouldn't we? Why on earth would we stop?